Content provided on this channel is for educational purposes only. Hello traders, welcome to the Trading Hub 012, and in this video you're gonna be learning how to plot quarter points on VIX 100. For those who doesn't know what is quarter theory is a method of reading price in quarters created by Ilya Nyotov. The numbers highlighted in yellow box are very important. It's crucial to memorize these numbers because we are going to use them to plot quarter points on our charts. In fact, they are the quarter points. We have 100, which is a major quarter point. Then we have 500, which is the half of the quarter point. And then we have 250 and 750, which are the large quarter points. We have the major large quarter points, which will be 100 or 1000 depending on the chart we'll be trading, followed by a large quarter point, which is 250. Then we move to a major half quarter point, which is 500, followed by 750, which is again a large quarter point. Then we finish by a major quarter point again. Then we accomplished the quarter cycle. If price moves from 1000 to 1250, that will be a quarter. Then price moves from 1250 to 1500, that will be another quarter. And when price moves from 1500 to 1750, that again will be another quarter. Then the cycle will be completed when price moves from 1750 to 2000. So there are major quarter points, 1000, 2000, 3000 and many more. They are basically whole numbers. So let's start plotting the whole numbers first. So we start by plotting 1000. Then we give it a red color. You can guess the following quarter point, which is 2000, followed by 3000, 4000, 5000, followed by 6000 and many more. And there are also negative numbers like negative 1000, negative 2000, negative 3000, many more. I hope you get my point. So guys, I'll fast forward this video for your sake to save your time. Then I'll play something nice in the background so you can watch me as I plot these numbers.
Snake with a backbone, Satana Musilla Bailey, no fairy tale, just chat. I don't know beef or pork. Eat your brains with a fork. Absorbing powers like Majin Buu. Stay sad like Okolu food. Headshots, no kung fu. Make me laugh, Mr. Bean. Fading fast, sense of being. Yo bitch, my babe. Yo mom, my bitch. My music, my bread. Self-made king, no votes. I see you niggas, you got no sauce. Your music raw like brown bread. Listen, listen. So how about Fumuta Quad? Do love Fumuta Quad.
Major half quarter points. Our half quarter point will be 500 or 5000 because half of 1000 is 500, right? Let's start plotting the numbers. Let's plot them. Let's plot. I'm going to give them a nice black color.
Savage, but I ain't 21. Too many kings, but I'm the one. This ain't beef, this is oysters. This is my move and I'm shooting more scenes. I'm playing my part and I know my role. Star shining on the daylight. Tell a nigga I'm logic. My middle name is Sane. Driving the bitch is insane. Never do it for the vein. Do it as long as I'm paid. Tell a nigga I'm the cerebellum. I'm long lasting like a parabellum. Dream too loud, extortion. Hard kicks call me Tompo. Inside coin cause it's game over. Listen. So how about Fumuta Quad? Do love Fumuta Quad. Listen. So how about Fumuta Quad? Do love Fumuta Quad. Listen. So how about Fumuta Quad? Do love Fumuta Quad.
We have our large quarter points, which is 750 and 250. I'm giving them a blue color so they can stand out. Let's plot.
Oh!
Yeah guys, here's the final product. This is how they look. And then here's a pro tip. If you're trading on the daily, if you're analyzing on the daily, don't plot them on the daily, because of the daily would be clustered with lines. You wouldn't see your candlesticks. You won't be able to analyze. So if you analyze on the daily, please plot the quarter points on the monthly or weekly. Yeah, please plot them on the monthly. I personally use H1 to 1 minute. So I normally put my quarter points, I plot them on the daily. My hourly time frame will be visible and it will be clean. So the reason I use quarter points is that many of the long trades, the reversals, the big reversals happen on them. They act as support and resistance. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share. The most important thing is to subscribe so you can see more videos from me, yours truly, Logic SA, on your favorite channel, Trading Hub 012. Thank you.